Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the JOYAMI wet dry vacuum mop with the hot air drying function. My wife has really enjoyed using this vacuum the last few days since she received it. Here's just a straight on look at the wet dry vac. Here's a look at the controls on the handle. This is the clean water tank at the top. So here's the brush at the bottom. It has been very effective on our floors. We have ceramic tile floors and laminate floors. It lets you know when it's charged and ready. Here's the brush roller in action, and this is just the normal speed. Here's the brush roller as you increase it to maximum speed. All the dirty water is collected in the bottom tank. This is the charging dock for the wet vac. They also give you some attachments and some concentrated cleaner. Okay, this is our first run over our ceramic floor, and we were absolutely shocked at how dirty our ceramic tile floor was. It looked clean, but it wasn't. My wife really likes this wet dry vac. I would have to say it is wife approved. So we like it. I think you will too. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.